Today we'll start with the GREP command. So some advanced commands already we have seen. Those are also known as the filters like cut, head, tell, paste, sort, t. So now we are going to discuss the GREP command. So already we have seen we have a employee file which looks like this, having the fields employee number, name, post, department, date of birth and basic salary. So I want to search any word in the given file and I want to display that particular record, then how it is possible? So for that purpose, we do have the GREP command. GREP stands for General Regular Expression. So GREP, which pattern you want to search? Suppose I want to search the word cells, and then in which file we want to search? So employee.txt. So pattern and the file name. So it will display all the lines which contains the word cells. So here we are getting the 4 lines as an output. So word cells. Now suppose I want to count how many times the word cells occurs. So grep command can be used along with option C to count the occurrence of the given pattern in the given file. So option C. So if you see here 4 times sales word occurs, then if we want to display the lines, if we want to assign the numbers to the lines which contains the sales word, we can use the option N for lines. Now see the output. So line number 2, 7, 8, 13, where the word sales is occurring. Now next. So I said sales, this is the word that I want to search in the given file. This is the output of this command. But now what I want to exclude cells and rest records I want to display, which does not contain the word cells. So means we want to go for the inverse. So for that purpose, we have option V as an inverse. So it will display all the records excluding cells. So see, it displays all the records excluding the cells. So option V stands for inverse, is used for inverse purpose. Next, suppose I have given sales in uppercase. So we don't have any record which is in uppercase. So I want to search for the sales word, but by mistake I have written it in a capital letters. So as it does not contain any record with the capital sales, it won't show anything. So what we can do here then, if you want to ignore the case sensitivity, so in that case we can use the option I in a lowercase. Option I in a lowercase is used to ignore the case sensitivity. Irrespective of the case, it's going to search the word cells. So it will display all the records which contains the word cells. We can use multiple options simultaneously. If you want to display the line number, yes, you can assign the line numbers also where it contains the patterns, as well as ignore the case sensitivity. Now we know the same data we have stored in a employee one also. So cat emp1 dot txt, which contains the same records but in a uppercase, isn't it? So it might be possible we want to search the same pattern in a multiple files. Okay, so just I will use grep. I will go for ignoring the case sensitivity. I want to search, suppose manager. This is the word I want to search. In which file? In employee.txt as well as employee1.txt. Now see the output. As we have ignored the case sensitivity, so it is displaying the records. So how will come to know which records belong to which file? So every record is preceded with the file. So first 3 records are from the emp.txt file, whereas last 3 records are from the emp1.txt. Means we can give the multiple file names as an argument also. Now we want to go for searching multiple patterns or multiple words in the given file. I want to search, suppose, sales, then manager, suppose, and one more record, suppose, Gupta. So wherever sales, manager and Gupta words will come, I want to display all those records. So we have given the command, 3 patterns and the file name, and let's see the result. So what it shows, the first line gives an error message, manager, no such file. Second line gives the error message, Gupta, no such file. And then rest line shows the output for the sales word. So in a GREP, so whenever we want to search the multiple patterns in the given file, so by default, the first option is treated as a pattern that we want to search, whereas rest things are treated as a file names. Manager, Gupta, these are treated as a file names. But now these are the patterns or the words that we want to search in the given file. So what we need to do here then, we have to precede every pattern with option E. This is the pattern that we want to search in the given file. So these are the 3 words that we want to search in the file emp.txt. Now see the output. So here, wherever Gupta, manager and sales words are coming, those records it is displaying. So Gupta, it is the substring of the Sen Gupta or Das Gupta is displaying those words also. So means whenever we want to go for the multiple pattern search, every pattern has to be preceded with the option E. But if we want to search multiple patterns, and in that case every pattern has to be preceded with the option E, the commands becomes very cumbersome and long. So then how the same can be avoided? So for that purpose, the words or the patterns that we want to search, that can be stored in a separate file. Suppose I have created one file name as a pattern which contains the words that I want to search, like sales, manager, director, or suppose Anil. These are the words that I want to search. So these all words I have stored in the file pattern. Now use the grep command with option F followed by the file name pattern and the file name on which we want to do the search. So see, sales, director, manager, Anil. These are the words that we were searching in the file pattern. So the lines which contains all those words, that gets displayed over here. So these are the different options that we can use along with the grep command. So if you want to elaborate more options that can be used along with the grep command, yes, you can use the man command. So hope all of you have understood all the concepts. Thank you very much. So here we'll stop.